Okay, so question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is homework. Okay, and question number I and J I will solve now, and after that I will teach you the division method. Okay, so now question number I will divide 120, 144, 144 and 204. Okay, so now I divide by same number, that means 120, 144 and 204. Okay, so look at all the numbers. So in this case, the first one, look at this one, last digit is what? 0, that means even number, divisible by 2. Last digit is what? 4, even number, that means divisible by 2. Again last digit is 4, unit plus digit is 4, that means even number, divisible by 2. So you divide all the numbers by 2, it becomes 60, 72 and it becomes 102. Okay, so now again look at the numbers. The last unit place digit is 0, that means an even number. Unit place digit is 2, again even number. Again unit place digit is 2, again even number. That means all the three numbers will be divisible by 2. So let us divide by 2. So 30, it becomes 36 and it becomes 51. 2 5 is 10, 1. Okay, so now look at the first two numbers, 30 and 36. So both are even numbers because the last digit is 0 and 6. But 51, look at the last unit place digit is what? 1. 51 is not an even number, odd number. Okay, that means we cannot divide all three numbers by 2. So now let us say 3. So divisibility test of 3 is what? If the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. So in this case, 3 plus the sum of the digit is what? 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is what? 3. 3 is divisible by 3. That means 30 will be divisible by 3. Look at this one. 3, 6. 3 plus 6 will be what? 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means 36 will be divisible by 3. Clear? So now last one. 51. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. That means 51 will be divisible by 3. So we can divide all the three numbers by 3. So 3 10s are 30. 3 to 36 and 3 17, 17. Okay, so now 17 becomes 17 is a prime number. Okay, that means you cannot divide this. Okay, so therefore that means 10, 12 and 17 have no common factor except 1. Okay, so therefore HCF of 120, 144 and 204 is 2 into 2 into 3, so 12. Okay, so now come to the last question, question number Z. So question number Z, given 144, 256 and 324. 144, 256 and 324. Okay, 144, 256 and 324. So now again we have to divide by same number. So 144, 256 and 324. So look at the numbers. 144, the unit place digit is what? 4, even number, that means 144 will be divisible by 2. 256, 6 is last digit what? 6, an even number, that means 256 is an even number, divisible by 2. Look at this one, last digit is what? 4. 4 is an even number, that means 324 is an even number. That means all these three numbers are even numbers and will be divisible by 2. So let us divide by 2. 2 7s are 14, so 2 2s are 4. Again 2 14. Again this one. Okay. So 72, 128 and now 162. And again look at the numbers. Last digit 2, even number, that means 72 is an even number, divisible by 2. Last digit is 8, even number, that means 128 is an even number, divisible by 2. 162 is an even number, that means 162 is an even number, that means divisible by 2. That means 72, 128 and 162, all the three numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so let us divide by 2. 36, 64 and this one is 81. Okay, So now look at this one, 36, 64 and 81. So 36 is an even number, 64 is also even number, but 81 is not an even number because it is not divisible by 2. So now let us take the divisibility test of 3. So divisibility test of 3, 36 is a number, sum of the all digit is what? 3 plus 6 is 9, that means divisible by what? 3. 8 plus 1, 9, which is divisible by 3. But 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. That means these numbers are not divisible by 3. So I think, okay, let us check by prime factorization because it takes time. Okay, so these are the factors of, okay, 64 you can say 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Again 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So that means in this case there will be no another common factor because 64, the factors of 64 are what? Prime factors of 64 are only 2. In this case 2 and 3. In this case only 3. That means 36, 64 and 81 have no common factor except 1. That means the process will be stopped here. So therefore HCF of 144, 256 and 324 is 2 into 2 becomes 4. Okay, so in my next video I will explain the division method. Okay.